What's up YouTube, I'm David from SmartSender.io. Today we're going to get into the email marketing basics, so if you're a complete beginner, by the end of this video you'll be all set to initiate your email marketing journey. It's gonna be a bit long but incredibly useful video, so consider grabbing a cup of coffee to enjoy while you learn. First things first, let me give you a quick overview of what we'll cover in this video. First up, we'll talk about creating your email list. Next, we'll check out how to pick the perfect email marketing platform. Then we'll dive into making those emails super effective. And after that, I'll guide you through sending and checking your email campaigns, creating A/B tests, and scheduling a content plan. And finally, we'll explore the wonders of automation. Let's get started. The foundation of any successful email campaign is having a good email list. It's really important and not super complicated. Here's what you can do to start building yours. Begin by creating a subscription form on your website. This form lets visitors sign up to receive your emails. To make it more appealing, always offer something valuable, like a special guide, discount, or exclusive content to exchange for their email addresses. Use social media platforms to tell more people about your email sign-up. Share benefits of joining your list and encourage them to subscribe. For more details on collecting newsletter subscribers, check out the video link below in the description. After building your email list, the next big step is picking the right email platform. There are quite a few options available on the market, but let me take a moment to explain why SmartSender.io could be the right choice for you. SmartSender.io is focused on ensuring your messages reliably reach your audience, maintaining high security standards, and providing user-friendly tools that make your job easier. On top of that, it offers more than just email sending capabilities. You can also use it for sending Telegram and Viber messages, SMS, as well as push notifications. This flexibility lets you communicate using various methods, adapting to when and how you'd like to connect. It's like having a collection of different tools all together in one place to help you effectively engage with your audience. As our next step is crafting effective email messages, start by focusing on the subject line first, because on average 5 times as many people read the headline as read the body copy. Also be extra careful with your subject line because, as David Ogilvy says, when you have written your headline, you have spent 80 cents out of your dollar. According to history, this guy was widely hailed as the father of advertising. Once you're all set with a subject line, add some cool pictures or graphics to make your message look nice. Visuals are used to grab attention and help explain what you're saying. Next, let's add a personal touch. Imagine using your customer's name in the email or mentioning things they enjoy based on their history with your brand. For example, if they bought a certain product or click on the specific link before, you can bring that up in the email. SmartSender.io has some cool tools that can actually help you do this. We call them variables. These variables are like magic. They help you put in personal details automatically, so each email feels just right for each person. Let's say you have a list of customers: John, Sarah, and Michael. When you send the email using SmartSender.io, it automatically fills in the variable with each customer's actual name. So John receives an email saying "Hi John", Sarah gets an email saying "Hi Sarah", and Michael's email greets him with "Hi Michael". It's like you know each customer's name and personalize the email for each one, making it feel like you wrote it just for them. It makes your customers feel special and more connected to what you're saying. Now it's time to share something really helpful or interesting in your email. You want people to read your email and think, wow, this is a good stuff. It's about providing content they really like or find interesting, making them feel glad they opened your message and leaving a positive impression. To wrap up here, add a clear call to action that tells people what to do next, like click here or shop now. It's important because it guides readers on what step to take next. For example, you might ask them to visit your website or sign up for updates. This way, you make it easy for them to act on what they've read. Once you are happy with the email template created, let's proceed to the next step and talk about sending and analyzing email campaigns. An email campaign means sending a pre-designed email template to a group of recipients to achieve a particular objective. They are strategically designed to deliver relevant and compelling content that encourage action, be it making a purchase, signing up for an event, or simply staying connected. Sending regular email campaigns is super important. When you plan what to send and do it often, it's like staying in touch with friends. Your audience stays interested and excited about what's coming up next. Beyond sending a pre-designed email to achieve a goal, an email campaign also prioritizes consistency. So planning your campaigns ensures a steady flow of valuable information, promotions or updates, maintaining your brand's presence and building trust over time. This regular communication also helps align your emails with your broader marketing goals, making them more effective in delivering your message. However, the knowledge of sending emails when your subscribers are most likely to open them comes with time and analyzing your campaigns. After you've hit the send button, it's also very important to keep a close eye on specific metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions once your email lands in your subscribers' inboxes. These numbers tell you how effective your emails really are. We've got a dedicated video on email marketing metrics available on our YouTube channel. You'll find the link in the description below. When it comes to campaign analytics, another effective way to see which of your campaigns works better is by doing A/B testing. A/B testing is one of marketers' favorite tools to make data-driven decisions and optimize marketing campaigns. A/B testing or split testing lets you compare different versions of one message to figure out which one works better. I'm gonna sketch a simple illustration just to show you how it works here. Let's say we got an email template and want to test two different subject lines to see which one people like more. In this case, it's subject line A and subject line B. The blue and green colors show your test variations, while the gray area represents those getting the winning subject line. You may also notice the percentage here. Moving a slider to left means only 30% of your contacts will take part in the test, and the remaining 70% receive the winning option. To wrap up here, it's crucial to keep an eye on your email performance, see who's opening them and what they're clicking. See what people like and what can be better. Adapt your strategy using these insights and remember to stay flexible and learn from this data to enhance your emails even further. The last step that we're going to cover in this video is automation. Automation is a game changer in the world of email marketing. It's like having a personal assistant who's handling everything for you. At SmartSender.io, we call that assistant Marketing Automation Marketplace. It's a place where you can pick what kind of business you are in and what kind of automatic help you need. Let's say I want to automatically send welcome emails to greet new subscribers, introduce my brand, and provide valuable offers or content. All I need to do is simply click on it and then click on Import to my account. Here are also some ready-made automations that might interest you if you are just starting out. Abandoned cart emails that remind people about things they left in their online shopping carts. Birthday and anniversary emails are designed to send special offers on special days. Re-engagement campaigns should be applied to people who haven't been in touch for a while. Confirmation emails to confirm orders or registrations. You can easily implement any of these helpful automations from the SmartSender Automation Marketplace. You'll find the link to this marketplace below in the description, and that's a wrap on our beginner's guide to email marketing. It might seem a bit complicated at first, but with the right strategy and tools, you can unlock the full potential of email marketing for your business or brand. So if you found this video helpful, you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.